Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales, and today I am up with one of the most requested challenge on my channel, that is to reduce the hip size and to reduce the lower body portion. The exercise in today's challenge will help to work on your tibial arteries and femoral veins to give the best circulation to your lower body and hence will help you reduce your hip size. So here's some motivation before starting up these challenges. These are just my subscribers taking up my challenges and they are getting so amazing results. So if you are someone who is taking these challenges and getting some results, so do share your pictures on Instagram or on mail and I will be using them in my videos to motivate others as well. So congratulations to all my lovely GGT members who are taking up these challenges and getting great results out of it. So yes, keep going and all the best to all of you. But before heading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because only when you hit the notification bell, you will be updated with all my videos. So don't forget to hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button and I will be up with many more challenges. So today we are going to do 100 squat challenge. We will be taking different squat variations every day and we will perform it for 100 repetitions each day. So there are few points that need to be remembered before taking up this challenge. First of all, you need to incorporate a proper warm-up before performing this challenge, because otherwise you will suffer from knee pain, back pain and many other joint pain just because of the inappropriate joint stability and mobility. So incorporate a good warm-up with this challenge. Second thing is that you need not to do these 100 squats at a stretch. You can take a gap of about 10 to 20 seconds in between. Like you can actually do 50 squats and take a gap of 10 to 20 seconds, or you can even do 30 squats and take a gap of 10 to 20 seconds and then do the rest of them in 3 parts or 2 parts according to your body and comfort zone. You can also incorporate any other cardio exercises along with this challenge. There is no need that you have to perform only this challenge in a day. You can also incorporate other cardio exercise, walking, cycling, skipping along with this challenge. This will help you burn about 100 to 150 calories. But yes, it will give you a perfect toned hips and a lower body. Challenge is designed in such a way to increase the complexity by the end of the week. So when you begin, you are just starting with the simple squat, so you will be very comfortable doing it, and as you progress, the intensity and the complexity of the exercise increases and you will become comfortable with time, and by the end of the week you will become just pro in doing this squat challenge.
For you, don't break it into long time. Before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. Can you make me feel like this is for real? And I want you to.
So that's about this challenge. I hope you will find this useful. This is very effective to reduce your hip, get toned butt size and a perfect lower body. So yes, try this out for the next 7 days and let me know about your results. Also, as I have mentioned on my YouTube community and my Instagram, that I will be up with hashtag AskSomi segments. So I will be taking up your questions and answer them in the video itself on this Wednesday. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. Use hashtag AskSomi and I will be answering all of those questions. And also I was not able to do the live session this Sunday because I was busy with my academy event. There was some event at my academy and you can see my voice is just gone badly. So yes, I will be live with the live sessions as well in this week. So yes, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button. because only when you hit the notification bell you will get notified about my videos. So yes, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I love you all. Bye.